Welcome to our latest decor ideas YouTube channel. In this video we are going to delve into the captivating world of wooden almirah. From their rich history to their versatility in interior design, we will explore why wooden almirahs continue to be cherished and sought after. Join us as we uncover the beauty and functionality of these timeless pieces of furniture. The importance of wooden made almirahs extends beyond their functional purpose of providing storage. Here are several reasons highlighting the significance of wooden almirahs. Wooden almirahs are known for their durability and longevity. High quality hardwoods like oak, teak, and mahogany are commonly used in their construction, ensuring they can withstand the test of time. With proper care, wooden almirahs can last for generations, making them a wise investment. Wooden almirahs execute a timeless beauty that can enhance the aesthetics of any space. The natural grain patterns, rich colors, and warmth of wood add a touch of elegance and sophistication to interior design. Whether in traditional, rustic, or modern settings, wooden almirahs effortlessly blend with various decor styles. Wooden almirahs offer versatility in terms of design and functionality. They come in a wide range of sizes, styles, and finishes to suit different storage needs and complement diverse room layouts. From wardrobes with hanging space to cabinets with adjustable shelves, wooden almirahs can be customized to accommodate specific storage requirements. Wood is a renewable and sustainable material when sourced responsibly. Opting for wooden almirahs promotes environmentally friendly practices. Look for almirahs made from certified sustainably harvested wood or reclaimed timber, reducing the impact on forests and supporting conservation efforts. Wood possesses natural insulting properties helping to regulate temperature and humidity levels within a room. Wooden almirahs can contribute to maintaining a comfortable and healthy environment. Additionally, unlike synthetic materials, wood does not release harmful volatile organic compounds VOCs, improving indoor air quality. Wooden almirahs offer opportunities for customization and craftsmanship. Skilled artisans can create intricate designs, ornate carvings, and personalized details, making each piece unique. Custom made wooden almirahs allow you to incorporate specific features and tailor the design to match your style and preferences. These type of almirahs often hold sentimental value, passing down through generations as cherished family heirlooms. They become a part of family history, carrying stories and memories. These pieces evoke a sense of nostalgia and connection, making them treasured possessions. Wooden almirahs embody a perfect blend of functionality, beauty, and sustainability. Their enduring appeal and ability to transform a space make them an important and valuable asset in interior design and storage solutions. Remember to choose a reputable manufacturer or craftsmanship to ensure the quality and authenticity of your wooden almirahs. With proper care and appreciation, a wooden almirahs can be a lifelong companion, offering both practically and aesthetic charm to your living space. I hope this video will be very useful for you, so don't forget to like, subscribe my YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is only for you for latest designs and ideas. Thank you.